A Cybertruck owner using a trailer hitch-mounted snowplow to clear neighborhood driveways for seniors highlights the vehicle's practical utility in harsh winter conditions during the snow event. The truck efficiently plowing in reverse, demonstrating improved maneuverability for tight spaces compared to forward plowing. The Cybertruck starts the motion, driving in reverse while pushing a straight snowplow blade attached to its standard trailer hitch receiver. The plow is a fairly simple, aftermarket utility-style blade, positioned low enough to scrape and push snow forward as the truck backs up. The truck smoothly moves a significant pile of snow ahead of the blade and pushing it off to the sides toward the edges of the driveway. No dramatic maneuvers, no spinning tires, no stuck moments.